Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I'm doing just simple engine oil and filter change on this pretty beautiful Toyota Camry. Gorgeous color. It's a 2005 with 125,000 miles on the odometer. It's a LE, so you can see just a standard metal rims, nothing fancy, but it's a gorgeous car from outside and inside. Time we get a car for a service, I need to get the registration insurance, so we are going through people's glove boxes and their books, the owner's manuals and so on, and this one has in that entire pouch the original window sticker. And look at this, guys. This is unbelievable. This triggered some kind of melancholia in me because this vehicle in 2005, Camry, not a little Corolla, this is a Camry. You could buy the total for $20,000. Where are those times? This is a large vehicle. This is not some tiny little from A to B. It's a modern vehicle and you could buy it for $20,000. It's unbelievable. This is how that window sticker looks like. Look at the gas mileage and everything. It's a good old times, in my opinion. It's a Camry 4-door LE sedan, year model 2005. The color is the sky blue pearl stone. There's a VIN number, port and plant, TMM Georgetown KY. A mechanical and performance, 2.4 liter 4-cylinder double overhead cam, 16 valve VVTIS FI engine. It has a 5-speed electronic automatic transmission, 15-inch wheels, pretty small for today's standard, isn't it? Full-size spare tire, very fancy. You don't have the little donut. Power-assisted rack and pinion steering. For safety, it has a 4-wheel log brake system, ABS. The driver and front passenger advanced airbag system, SRS, adjustable headrests for all 5 seats, 3-point seat belts, and child restraint system. This list is short, so don't walk away from it. It's funny. On exterior, it's halogen auto on-off headlamps, daytime running lights, dual color keyed power outside mirrors, color keyed side molding and bumpers, full wheel covers. I think these are the hubcaps. That's the only thing I don't like about it. I wish the car like this will have that aluminum wheels. That are always better. For comfort and convenience, it has air conditioning, cruise control, and deluxe AM, FM, CD audio with 6 speakers. Anytime I start filming, these people decide to drag something around. I don't know, they probably have to wait, they hear me start speaking, and they go for it. Standard equipment on such a vehicle. Steering wheel with integrated audio controls, power driver's seat with lumbar support, a remote keyless entry with trunk release, 60/40 split rear, variable wipers, power windows, power locks, adjustable shoulder belt anchor, oh it's here, up here, center console armrest, outside temperature gauge, rear window defogger, remote trunk and fuel release sunglass holder. Full tank of gas, the tank of gas they gave you. Manufacturer's suggested retail price was $19,975, and the only extra is carpet cargo mat set for $180, guys. This is total $20,674. What do you think? I would love to go today and buy a Camry, base Camry, but still nice, comfortable vehicle for 20 grand. That will be cool. What do you say? What a base Camry costs today, huh? It has a lot of other features, obviously. The vehicles went ahead and they improved, but this is incredible. 20 grand, brand new car, super great reliability. It has only 125,000 miles, and to my knowledge, I know the owner and do these oil changes for him for a while. I never really repaired anything on it. It was just a basic scheduled maintenance, like a spark plugs. Maybe we did coolant. There might be even still original water pump or engine coolant pump on it. I don't think it ever even broke. So that's pretty funny. Really great Toyota quality as we know it, and pretty good gas mileage, 24-34. That's great. If he gets like 28 miles per gallon as an average, that's pretty good for a relatively large vehicle, don't you think? Let me know what you think about it. Will you buy even today a vehicle like this for 20 grandiosos? I will definitely not hesitate. That's a good price for such a great vehicle. Really nice instrument cluster. Really like how simple and clean it is. Today's Camry starts somewhere around 29,000 MSRP, but there are all these extra charges which were already included in this window sticker. Also, good luck to you going to the dealer and not paying some extra markups in this weird situation which is in the automotive market. So absolutely different what was happening at 2005. There was manufacturer suggested the retail price. There is even chance that at that time you could even get few $1,000s less from that price because the market was fully functional and normal, and you could negotiate as a buyer. Today it's the absolute opposite. To buy a Toyota Camry for $20,000, it's simply impossible. It's absolutely different. I'm sure you will pay over $30,000. Of course, the vehicles are way different level. They have all these extra features, but at the end, do you really need it? I don't. Many of you, of course, do, but I don't care about it. Power locks, ABS, great stereo, power windows, AC. It's all you need. Good stereo, good speakers. That's all you need to just travel to the work on back or go on some trip. So please share your experience, your opinion about what's happening in this automotive market. And I hope you like this video. If you do, give it a thumb up. Be subscribed. Have notification so you don't miss the future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.